there's a lot of feedback from my microphone. So I was like, man, how do I fix that? And I was like, okay, let me get some foam, the acoustic foam, to kind of absorb that feedback, or whatever. As you can tell, I live in an apartment, so I was like, yo, I need to find out how I can put this shit on the wall without fucking up my paint, right? So I'm watching all these YouTube channels.
Hey, so I'm gonna show you how to attach these piece of shit things to your wall. It tug because, you know, it's foam, but it's not like the foam isn't particularly heavy, you know. Now simply put on those little rolled up pieces of duct tape that you've always done. You know, everyone knows how to do that.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Hey guys, it's Carson from Muller Tech here, back from I should note that I mean center top, not center, just center top. And then you could just stack all these up, and then you just complete that with all the rest of your foam pieces as well. Then from there, on all your individual pieces, you're going to want to just place one command strip on the back.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches.
And I'm like, okay, I spent so much, like, that shit done fucked up my pocket and, like, my wall. So I'm like, man, what is going on here? I done bought duct tape, I done bought command strips. So I was like, cool, boom, think, Tracy, think. What can we do? So I thought about all the shit I already had. And I was like, let me try something different. Yo. That's what happened. Check this out, right? So I got a legit, no damage to your walls way to fucking put this shit on the wall. Check me out. We about to go and get this video started. So what you need some painter's tape. And that's going to be applied to the wall. It's easy, peel off, remove, and it's not going to damage your paint, right? And bet. All I have is a tab. You're going to get your Scotch fasteners. Can y'all see that? Scotch fasteners, right? And all that is fucking Velcro.
Shit, Negro. That's all you had to say.
This is what it is, Velcro. Boom, boom, boom. Both have the back sides are adhesive. So check this out. I was like, As you can tell, I'm gonna flip my camera around real quick. I've already put some up, and them shits is not coming down. So this is what I did, right?
A few moments later.
So I'm doing a pattern, right? I'm just gonna keep it simple. Some people do it straight here and then go like this, but that shit, it's uneven that way. So I like to line it up real nice. Boom, it's lined up real nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do it the easy way. Easy peasy way. I'm gonna take my fucking Velcro and I'm gonna stick it right here. And you can tell, like, press it down and you can see it get dark, so you know it's completely stuck to the tape. It doesn't matter what side you have down first, it really don't matter, as long as that shit stuck to it. Bam. Press it down real good. Boop. Take your other piece. This shit is the only thing I've found that sticks to the foam, and it sticks to the foam. Everybody else I don't know. But you just stick that piece there. Bam. Yo, and you golden. Check this shit out. When I tell you these other pieces I've already put up aren't going anywhere, yo, this is like the simplest way you could do this process. You line that thing up, line it up with the other one, and you go here, and you just press down. Press it down, put some pressure on that thing, pressure, 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 and fucking voila, look at there, that shit ain't going nowhere. So all those other cats, don't even listen to them. Look, this is a foolproof way to get your foam on the wall. That's gonna cost you less than fucking, like, with the painter's tape and the fasteners, depending on many pieces of foam you have, less than like $10, and that's on the higher side if you get multiple packages of foam. So yo, let me flip this thing around so y'all can see me. Alright, so yeah, that's like, man, I'm so mad I didn't figure this shit out before. Like, I done saved so much money and headache. It's easy this way.
Give me that money. Yes, okay.
Yo, but anyway, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and like the fuck out of my shit. Comment, let me know what y'all think about this method, because I'm telling you, this is legit the foolproof method that it works and it's gonna last. Everybody else bullshitting with this fucking glue, fucking duct tape, all this shit, garbage. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna be bringing y'all more content. See how this YouTube thing go for me, so I can build me an audience, you know, build a family to talk to, since I don't go out much. Not because of the pandemic, but I really don't leave the crib too much. I just stick around and just figure out, you know, little odds and ends that I could do around the crib and keep me busy and shit. But yeah, y'all.